Hi, I'm David Murray. I'm a Vice President Technical at Parexel and a subject matter expert in regulatory CMC for biologics. And I'll be leading the CMC aspects of this two-day training course. I'll be bringing learnings from my experience as a former EU reviewer through to today, where I support my clients on regulatory CMC from clinical development through to licensing. This course is for those who want to enhance their expertise in CMC for biologics, including ATMPs. In a very informal setting, you'll gain insights into regulatory expectations for CMC throughout the life cycle of a product, as well as some of the common challenges faced. It's a great opportunity to stay up to date in the very dynamic and evolving world of biological medicines. We'll be having an in-depth look at CMC, covering crucial areas such as Module 3 structure. So things like, how do you characterize a biological? How do you establish and validate and evaluate a manufacturing process? How do you set a control strategy, including things like setting specifications and running stability studies? We'll also highlight some of the essential connections between CMC and GMP for these product types. So I hope to see you there. I think you'll find it valuable. Previous attendees have told us this course helped them develop a good understanding of regulatory CMC and in navigating today's regulatory landscape.